In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sources in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your access, ask the right prompt, and view the sources. Gemini references for its answer. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the Gemini website and sign in using your preferred credentials. If it's your first time, you may be asked to review terms, confirm your region, or adjust basic settings. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the response loads smoothly. Once you see the main chat interface, you're ready to go. Next, enter your prompt. In the message box, type a clear request that both asks for the content you want and explicitly requests the sources. For example, write, "Provide information about the life of Albert Einstein and list all the sources you used." This phrasing sets the expectation that Gemini should include citations or references along with the explanation. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the model to respond in the format you want. If there are particular types of sources you prefer, such as books, peer-reviewed articles, or reputable history sites, you can mention that in your prompt as well. Keeping your request concise and unambiguous helps Gemini understand that the sources are not optional. After you submit the prompt, wait patiently while Gemini generates the response. The system may take a moment to compile the overview and gather references. You'll typically see a structured answer summarizing Einstein's life, covering major milestones like his early education, key scientific breakthroughs, and later contributions, followed by a list of sources. These sources may appear as links, article titles, publication names, or a mix of those. Take a few seconds to scan the list so you can identify where each part of the answer likely came from. Noting recognizable publishers, authors, and dates will help you quickly judge the credibility of the materials. If the first result doesn't include sources as clearly as you'd like, refine your wording and ask again in the same chat. Emphasize that you want a complete list of sources at the end of the answer. Brief, direct language usually works best. You can also ask Gemini to format the sources as clickable links or to include publication dates if they're available. That's it. Open your Gemini account, enter a precise prompt that asks for both the information and the sources, and wait for the answer to appear. With this approach, you'll consistently see where the information comes from and can explore those references with confidence.